welcome back to our farm vlog. Today we have a group of visitors in our farm. Our guests came on the weekend to spend their holiday with our dogs. Nala being an obedient girl by giving her paws. Nala loves her new guest. At first they were scared of the big dogs. And slowly they realized that the pups only wanted to play and have some good time. Our guest wanted to make memories, so he started clicking photos. Another group came and went straight to play with our dogs. Having a wonderful, refreshing time and time playing with our dogs, clicking some photos. All our dogs seems to love being in a picture. And Lucy wants all the pets from our guests. Come visit us for a wonderful getaway from the busy city hustle bustle. We also provide kaja and chia services. Enjoy a break with our farm members and kaja. Spend quality time with your loved ones.